morning, children. Hope you all are safe and sound at home. See, children, you have to use mask and sanitizer always. Then only you will be healthy. Okay, children. So listen, today let's get into the subject English. In English, we are going to learn about possession words. What are they? Possession words. So what is possession actually? It's a place. What's a possession actually? It's a place. So when the things, when the objects or when the people, where they are, the particular place is called as a possession. Okay, children. For example, here I have a chalk piece. Here I have a piece of chalk. So where is the piece of chalk? It is there on my hand. Where is the piece of chalk? It is there on my hand. Now where is the piece of chalk? It is in my hand. Where is the piece of chalk? It is in my hand. And then one more example I will show you. Here we have a cup and spoon. Where is the spoon now? It is inside the cup. Where is the spoon now? It is inside the cup. And then where is the pen now? It is just near to my hand. Where is the pen now? It is just near to my hand. And where is the pen? Now it is there on my hand. Where is the pen? It is there on my hand. Like this, we have few more examples. Look at the board, children. See, English, possession words. So here we have a jar filled with jam or honey, and honeybee is here. What is the possession of a honeybee now? It is there inside the jar. Where is the honeybee, children? It is inside the jar. So the honeybee position is in. I-N, in. It is inside the jar. Okay, children. So see here. Here we have a beautiful flower. And there again honeybee. So what is the position of a honeybee? Is it in the flower or on the flower? It is on the flower collecting nectar, right? So it is on the flower. So what is the spelling of on? O-N, on. Did you see, children? And here we have a rat. Here we have a rat. And what is the position of a rat? It is near to the box. It is near to the box. So the spelling of near is N-E-A-R, near. So the rat is near to the box. That is the position of a rat. And here we have a bird again and umbrella. So what is the position of a bird? It is under the umbrella. Yes or no? The bird is under the umbrella. So what is the spelling of under? U N D E R. So the position of a bird is under the umbrella. So did you understand, children? Honeybee is in the jar. And here honeybee is on the flower. And here rat is near the box. And here the bird is under the umbrella. Did you understand, children? Like this, we have many more in our textbook. So let's go and open our textbook and learn many more possession words. Come on, children. So children, take out your English textbook, page number 4141. Children, take out your textbook and open page number 4141. Here we have a concept, possession words. What are these? Possession words. So what is it? On, in, near. The object or a thing, that is the position which it is. To say that only is called as possession words. So for example, this cat is on the box. The position of a cat is on the box. And here in the box, the position of a cat is in the box. And here the position of a cat is near the box. Did you observe, children? It is on the box and it is in the box and it is near the box. So here we have circle on, in or near to tell where the animal is in each picture. So children, here we have a rat. And where it is? What is the position of a rat? Is it on a shoe? Or is it in a shoe? Or it is near a shoe? Yes, it is near a shoe. See, the pictures were similar. So the rat is near a shoe. So circle the spelling of near. N-E-A-R, near. And here in this picture, the rat is on the shoe. Where is the rat? It is on the shoe. So circle the spelling of O-N, on. And here in this picture, the rat is in the shoe. It is in the shoe. I-N, in. So circle the spelling of I-N, in. And in the next picture, here there is a frog. Where is the frog? What is the position of a frog? It is in the water. It is in the water. So what is the spelling of in, children? I-N, in. Circle the spelling of in. And in the next picture, where is the frog? What is the position of a frog? It is on the rock. It is on the rock. So circle the spelling of on. What is the spelling of on, children? O-N, on. And here we have a frog is near the rock or near the water. So it is, the position is near. So what is the spelling of near? N-E-A-R, near. Circle it, children. And in the next picture, here we have a honeybee and a jar. So let us see the position of a honeybee. It is near to the jar. Yes or no? So what is the spelling of near, children? N-E-A-R, near. Circle it. And here the honeybee is in the jar. It has gone inside. So it is in the jar. What is the spelling of in? I-N, in. So circle it, children. And see the next one. Where is the honeybee? It is on the jar. See, it is sitting on the jar. Yes or no? So the spelling of on. O-N, on. Circle it, children. Let's go with the next page. See, children, in page number 4 to 42, here we have got another worksheet. That is O-N, on, and U-N-D-E-R, under. So where is the rat actually? What is the position of a rat? It is on the chair. It is on the chair. And here where is the rat? Under the chair. The rat is under the chair. Did you see the positions, children? So let's do this worksheet. Circle O-N, on or under to tell where the animal is in each picture. So here actually the honeybee is, what is the position of honeybee here? It is on the flower. It is on the flower. So what is the spelling of on, children? O-N, on. So circle the spelling of on. And what is it? Where is the caterpillar? What is the position of a caterpillar? It is under the mushroom. It is under the mushroom. What is the spelling of under? U-N-D-E-R, under. So circle the spelling of under, children. See the next one. Here we have a caterpillar again. And where is the caterpillar? What is the position of a caterpillar? It is on the leaf. Where it is, children? It is on the leaf. So what is the spelling of on? O-N, on. So circle it. See the next one. Here we have a snail. Where is the snail? What is the position of a snail? It is under a plant. It is under a plant. So what is the spelling of under? U-N-D-E-R, under. Circle it, children. And see the next one. Here we have a monkey. And where is it sitting? Sitting on a tree. Sitting on the branch. So where is the monkey? On the tree. So what is the spelling of on? O-N, on. Circle it, children. And see the next one. Here we have a bed and dog. So what is the position of your dog? Where is the dog? Dog is under a bed. So what is the spelling of under? U-N-D-E-R, under. Circle the spelling, children. See the next one. Here we have a frog. Frog is sitting on a log. So what is the position of a frog? On a log. So what is the spelling of on? O-N, on. Circle the spelling, children. And here we have a bird. Where is the bird, children? It is under an umbrella. The bird is under an umbrella. So what is the spelling of under? U-N-D-E-R, under. So circle the spelling of under, children. Yes. Let's see the next one. Here we have a dog. Where is the dog? What is the position of a dog? The dog is on a mat. The dog is on a mat. So what is the spelling of on? O-N, on. Circle it, children. So that's all for today. Hope you understood this concept and you enjoyed a lot. Have a nice day, children.
Where's the monkey? Where is it? Where is it? In the box. In the box. Where's the bird? Where is it? Where is it? On the tree. On the tree. Where's the snake? Where is it? Where is it? Under the rock. Under the rock. On, in, and under. Yeah. Where's the apple? Where is it? Where is it? In the box. In the box. Where's the carrot? Where is it? Where is it? On the chair. On the chair. Where's the pumpkin? Where is it? Where is it? Under the bench. Under the bench. On, in, and under. Great. Where's the book? Where is it? Where is it? On the desk. On the desk. Where's the pencil? Where is it? Where is it? In the box. In the box. Where's the ruler? Where is it? Where is it? Under the chair. Under the chair. On, in, and under. See you next time.